What's up, guys? It's August 14th, 2024. Had a sideways day in the market after a bull trend yesterday. Bulls broke out above the EMA, and today they put a gap in on the daily. So that's cool. Cool. That I borrowed this one. It's always weird to drag these over for some reason. Okay, so there's a gap here. What's interesting about this gap is that it's a breakout gap because it's happening above the EMA. So we'll see what happens now. Three pushes down, climactic leg, strong bull bars with continuation. Is this one leg or is this two legs? One leg here, no trend line break. Let's see what happens. I don't want to leave that trend line up for a little bit of time. I'm thinking I'm going to delete the 50% level. Yeah. Oh, I mentioned yesterday that if bulls get two closes above this gap, that's strength. So remember this dotted line? That's the two closes above the gap. That's cool for the bulls. Okay. Let me desync this in the layout. Wait. What did I do here? Let me desync this. No sync. Okay. So now it's not on the 45. So there's a trend line. We'll see what happens if it breaks or the market's just about to close. That's why it's still moving. It's like 5 minutes after market close. So yeah, let's get into the daily breakdown. Or the 45-minute chart. Bulls they gapped up and we've been trending higher. Kind of going more sideways. Stalling. They're trying to close it. Well, they did close this gap. Two closes above the gap on the daily. That's this gap here. Next target for bulls are going to be up here. Two closes above this gap. And then so on and so forth. Bears want to get two closes below and keep going. Or 2-3 closes, strong closes below this bar. Yesterday we had a bull trend. We had a gap up. Then trended higher. Buy any bar and make money. Kind of. Technically you could. I don't know if you'd be able to hold buying below this, or maybe, yeah, you honestly could buy just about any bar and make money. Today, gap up, sold off, bar one, bull trend. So we have bull trend, gap up, sells off, bar one. Bears are going for a gap close. Get that with bar two and but reverses higher. Bar three, strong bear bar into the EMA. Weak close, but it's big. Leg one, pull back leg two, pull back leg three. Bar four has a strong rally. It's actually an inside bar. Strong rally, but closes on its low. Bar five is a bear bar, closing below the midpoint, rally and sell off. Bar six is a bear bar below the EMA. First full bear. It's a range bar painted with a bear body. That's the first bear body close since yesterday. Yeah, since yesterday. Where are we? Bar seven. Leg one, pull back leg two, pull back leg three, counting the opposite bars. There's also implied legs because I kind of switched to leg count. I said leg one, pull back leg two, pull back leg three. Then as the market goes on, we have a leg one, pull back leg two. This is counting opposite bars. Leg three, leg four. Bear bars are getting smaller below the EMA. Bar seven. Bad follow through for the Bears. More tail than body. So it's a pretty bad breakout if you're looking for a reversal. Bar nine, better bear bar. However, it still has a tail. So bears are not getting strong closes. If you went short here, you could make a decent amount of points. What? 53, 46. So about 7-8 points. About 7 points if you scalp that bar nine. Bar 10, inside bar, full bar. I think it's safe to get ass shorts here. Market's starting to go more sideways into yesterday's support around maybe the low of bar 71. What is that? 10, 11. Bar 11 breaking out above the EMA. Good close. There's a tail, but there's a strong close above bar 10. But what are we breaking out of? A lot of bars to the left. Previously, there's sellers. There's no gaps for the bears, so good for the bulls. Pull this down a little bit. Bar 12 creates a double top. We have a leg 1 pull back. Excuse me. This could be like one big leg on a different time frame. Trend line here breaks the trend line, creates a double top on the EMA, and bar 12 has a bear leg in it, so it sells up, closes higher. I watched this. I saw it sell off, and it reversed up. Bar 13, strong bear bar. Looks like bears are going for the reversal. But we've had range bound price action and a lot of bulls up here, and yesterday's price action is very bullish. I got trapped. I'm not gonna lie. I went short. I went short as it was forming, and then kind of got trapped on the way up. Bar 13, testing the breakout point. Let me draw a line. Make it more accurate. I'm gonna change that in 2 seconds here. Bar 13, testing the highs, testing the breakout of bar 39, this range here. Bar 14, bull bar. Now we have kind of a wedge bottom with climactic price action 13, and a bull bar 14 on support made yesterday. 15, that's where I got out of my long, right on the EMA. I mean, excuse me, that's where I got out of my short. So I went short here, held here, and I was so frustrated I called it. I was just like, I can't believe I did that. I felt like a big old dummy, honestly. But it is what it is. Still trading sim. I'm really trying not to size up and just pass with one type of setup. So we'll see how it goes, because the long way is the short way. I hate to admit it, but this whole year I've been chasing a payout, and the long way is the short way. I just gotta do it the right way, get the setups, hit out what I'm supposed to, and all will be well by the end of next year. 16, good bull breakout, testing the high of 13. Bears had a gap here, and that closed. So 12, low of 12, high of 14. There was a bear gap, it closed. 15, bulls are getting follow through, starting to close above all the bars to the left, but still not above bar 3. 18, good follow through. 19, good follow through, closing above bar 3. Bulls want a new high of the day. 19, first pullback after 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. After 6 bars, typically strong first pullbacks, typically reverse. So what I mean, so this is a reversal attempt, and then the reversal reverses 21. So the pullback reversed. So it's a bull flag. It's a quick. You can scalp, buy this, scalp out. I wouldn't do that, but I mean, if you can. Scratch what I just said. Don't buy the low of this. Just do what makes sense to you. But all I'm saying is first reversals fail after a strong channel. There's a couple gaps here above 17, 18, 18, and, or excuse me, 7. There's a gap between 16 and 18, 17 and 19. And it stays open. It gets tested with 20. Breakout 21. Bad follow through 22. Again, more sideways price action at highs. We're trading right below the open, I believe. That was the open. I have to check. 24. Good bull bar at highs. It's just no tails on either ends. 25. Pull it down. Strong bull bar. Closing it far above bar 1. What are we breaking out of? Look to the left. We're breaking out of a lot of stuff. Leg 1. Pull back leg 2. Good follow through 24, 26, 27 starts the second leg, so we have 2 trend line breaks, right? 20 breaks the first trend line, 27 breaks the next trend line. So now if we make a new high, 28, 29, we know we're in the third leg. 28, 29, 30, third leg. There's a gap, could become climactic. 31 is follow through at highs, but look how far we are from the EMA. 32, bear bar, trapping bulls, so it traded higher and reversed lower. Excuse me, did I say that right? So bulls that have a stop order get filled and it reverses, trapping them. 33, 34, 35. Bear bars starting to get bigger. So start off small, then we get a bear trend bar, another bear trend bar. Good for the bears. That's not what you want to see in a bull trend. So I think the market's in a range now. Market is technically range bound here, and then we broke out above the high of 16. You know, something I haven't done in so long is the 18 bar range. Did we look at that? It was met. I haven't done that in so long, but that's not part of what I'm doing really anymore. So I'm not gonna beat myself up because I'm just going for a measured movement breakouts. So yeah, that was a good trade. 2R was met there. I didn't take it, but it worked. 36, follow through, good. Shows us bears are shorting lows. 37 is a bull bar. Or we gotta start asking ourselves, are we at support with this big tail? Is this a climax? This bulls could have a wedge top here. Leg 1, pull back leg 2, pull back leg 3. That's a wedge top with strong selling. I think this is strong enough to get second leg. 37, 38 is a pullback. 39, there's that second leg. If we're range bound, the second leg doesn't have to be symmetrical. So keep that in mind. That was something that took me a while to understand is, so let's say 39, let's say we don't know 39. This could be leg 1, pull back leg 2, pull back leg 3, pull back leg 4, and they're making higher lows. So how strong are the pullbacks, you know? We don't know. But then we see 39. Okay, like, oh, second leg. Bad follow through. Even worse follow through. Okay, maybe we have to get out, or maybe we have to think about if bulls start to break out, we get out. 42, price goes more sideways. Big up, big down. Leg 1, pull back leg 2, testing the breakout of 15, 16. So 38 is testing this breakout pretty much. You can go body. That looks pretty good right there. Bears are getting trapped. They're going short here. They got filled at the low of 39 and they never really had a break even. Here's a gap that shows us their trap. So if we see a gap in a trend, like we know that bears that get short here and then get short higher, they never got 50%. So you see how gaps can be important in trends. I'm gonna fill all the gaps in after the breakdown. I'm gonna speed it up because I was watching the price action. It's sideways. That doesn't mean we ignore sideways price action. It's just 45, a leg lower, leg 1 for the bulls, pull back leg 2, and then bears start their leg at the top of 44 and sells off to 45. Sideways price action. Bulls are going for a breakout, but there's a lot of selling pressure. There's also a bear gap here that I didn't talk about. Bears got 2 gaps, so that's good. You would think 2 gaps should get a second leg, and it does get a second leg. However, it doesn't stay open. It closes pretty quick. Well, not, it doesn't close pretty quick. It tries to stay open here. Market's going more sideways. Not really what you want to see in a bull trend. If we're counting legs by opposite bars, leg 1, pull back leg 2, pull back leg, what the heck? Leg 1, pull back leg 2, pull back leg 3, pull back leg 4. So it's about 5, 6 legs. Just count the opposite bars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's 5 legs, and there's a lot of implied legs. The main focus is this is a TTR, and it's best if we just wait for the breakout. It's 11 o'clock. We could go sideways for the rest of the day after a big up, big down move. And where are we on the daily? We're testing the EMA. Man, the market's closing stronger. Oh, look at that. Okay. Sideways. More sideways price action. Bears are not getting followed through anymore. 58. Good bull bar. But it has a tail at the top. So that's not the best, right? We want to see a strong close, and we want to see a close that's closing far above the bars on the left. This is not closing far above the bars on the left and has a bad close. 60, 62, 63, 64, 60. I counted that too fast. 63. It's a buy the close. Technically, it's a buy the close rally. A lot of tails. It's two-sided trading. And this isn't a buy the close rally that I'm saying like, oh, next time you see this, buy the close. It's just like you could buy the look. It's just I think I used the wrong term for that. It's the closers are trending. It's trending higher lows. That's better. Trending higher lows there. With sideways price action, leg 1, pull back leg 2. 66. Starting to break out, but we still have to make it past the bulls still have to make it past these bars. More sideways price action, 67, 68, bear leg 69. So we're range bound. Testing support here, breakout 42. Testing the breakout testing the gap, testing here. Did I say that right? Because the breakout 42 is up here. 69. We're just pretty much testing the lows. We're testing support here, this tight trading range. 70, bad follow through again. So bears are getting bad follow through, but unlike yesterday, they put bars below the EMA. So I just kind of saw this. So this is what I just looked at. Leg 1, pull back leg 2, pull back leg 3. Weird wedge. Leg 1, pull back leg 2, pull back leg 3. Climactic wedge. What I'm trying to get at is that there's a bear gap open. It's a lower high, not good in a bull trend, but it is. But bulls are getting the close. They definitely want to close above today's high. Maybe they do that right before the bell rings. Who knows? At 2 p.m. 72, 73. Leg 1, pull back leg 2 into support. Second leg trap, reversing higher. 73 traded 1 tick below, so it trapped bears and reversed higher. And we get it by the close rally. Leg 1, pull back leg 2. That's actually pretty nice. It's a pretty big. That's a 12 point, 13 point pullback. So think about your position size. I'm gonna run through the gaps real quick, and then I made some chicken, and for sure it's burnt. Leg 1, pull back leg 2. No, I don't even know why I just said that. Sell off. Yeah, leg 1, pull back leg 2. Asymmetrical. It has fractal legs. No gap. We have a gap right there. So remember, gaps show us in trends, gaps show us trap traders. In ranges, gaps close. Because traders can get out if they like sell more and sell higher and average in. Doesn't always. Wait, so there's 2 gaps here. I'm gonna draw a little space just so we can see. Just so there's a gap from this low, this high to this low, this high to that low. Bars are big, and then bears start to get gaps and they close. They kind of don't keep any gaps open. There's a 0 height gap here. Then we go sideways. Bulls try and get a gap, but it closes immediately, and it's a weak gap because it's a bear bar. The high of a bear bar. There's usually more sellers at the highs of bear bars, so. And then bears get another gap here, and that closes with that like gap late in the day. So it's Wednesday. Be interested to see what happens. Not doing too good with my P&L. Today I sized up right here and I hit out late. I think I sized up here because I let go. I kind of missed this whole trend yesterday because I hit out early and just didn't get back in. So I'm working on it. I'm going to be taking things slowly. Be more focused on these daily breakdowns and not focus too much on shorts. I'm still going to be posting them, but yeah, I'm just going to be focused on trying to get a result before I keep going crazy. So I'm glad you guys found this channel. Thank you for your support. I hope you guys are doing good. Let me know how you guys are doing. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.